Looking to upgrade to Windows 11 but unsure how? This is how to do it. This video will show you how to update from Windows 10 to Windows 11 while keeping all of your files intact. If you're looking to perform a clean install or you're unsure if your system meets the requirements, we do have videos explaining these linked in the description below. Microsoft are staggering the Windows 11 updates, so the first thing to do is check if it's available for you by going to your start menu and typing in check for updates, like you would for any form of Windows update. If this doesn't show you the option to do this, then simply head over to Microsoft.com and grab the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. The direct link for this is down in the description below. Once it's downloaded, open it, and then you can read the license terms and agree to them and click Accept and Install. It will then download, verify, and start installing Windows 11, which should take around 20 minutes. You'll then be greeted with a message telling you that your PC needs to restart to install Windows 11, and will give you the option to restart now, later, or will count down from 30 minutes and do it automatically. It will then further work on updates, get things ready for you, and will then boot you straight into the desktop. It really is that simple. And remember, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, as well as other really cool content. If you do get in any trouble, even after watching this video, definitely head on over to our Discord. Again, the link is in the description below, and we'll be more than happy to give you some assistance.